keep falling automatic.
my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains, I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things, gonna make a f***ing name. I just wanna be famous, but I don't want that cheap fame. No, I'm not that vain, I just wanna be greatness. 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 Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste me, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking bite me. Okay, I'm going off every chance I get. I don't really take a loss, well, I'll admit. That's why I'll make it to the top, yeah, I commit. And no, I'm never getting lost, I get after it. Investing in my own stock, cause it's faster than any crypto hits go, let me spend. Everything that you see is something I invent. and it's only a percent. I'm gonna take shots, if I miss all, forget it. I'll take a fat loss just to learn all that's in it. I'm taking snapshots, learning how to fall and get it. I'm getting back up, always stand tall, don't sweat it. I never back up, I don't miss a thing, I'll regret it. I'm always learning, you could call me academic. I'm always working, never been apathetic. That energy is like a poison, needs some antiseptic. Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself and my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you want to take me, you can try me. If you want to hate bitch, you know where to find me. And if you're going aimless, you can fight me. Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself and my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste me, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate me, you know where to find me. And if you're going hate this, you can fucking bite me. No motherfucker in this world can do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in
Take these drugs with me. Let's erase this galaxy. Let's find a place for you and me, you and me, you and me. And my love for me feels like ecstasy when you are next to me in another galaxy. Galaxy, you play my heart like all these strings was played from the start by all these things. Was inflamed by the dark with all these strings. Not the same since the start, that's what tragedy brings. I'm a rock star with no band, a rock star, but I got bands. And I fell in love with a girl one time, and she Try erasing memories, but they don't gotta blur. I'm fighting all these energies so I can see these drugs with me. Let's evade this galaxy. Let's find a place for you and me, you and me, you and me. My love for me feels like ecstasy when you are next to me in another galaxy, a galaxy. Yeah. Throw it up, I'm feeling, I'm smoking, token healing. She left me so broken, that's why it's so hard to feel emotion. EMO, CILNS, could've really lost somebody in a mess. I'm feeling low, with no hope, feeling stressed. Could've really end your life when you're so blessed. Why are you lying on my bed, you're lying to me? You're looking in my eyes, you don't know what's inside of me. Or would you lie, cry, rot, even die for me? On the corner, now I'm feeling so tired of being told what to say, what to do. I think I'm still in love with you. Take these drugs.